Pick up the tab. This means to pay the cost of something, as at a restaurant or bar, especially as a treat or favor for someone else. Bring home the bacon. This means to provide the money that keeps the household going. To burn a hole in your pocket. This means to have money that you are very eager to spend. Buy for an apple and an egg. This is a translation of the Dutch phrase iets voor een appel en een ei kopen, meaning to buy something at a very low cost. It's similar to the English expressions a bargain or a steal. Break the bank. This means spending or using up all of your money or savings. The term comes from gambling, meaning someone has won more than the betting shop or gambling house can pay. To write a blank check. This means presenting someone with a check that has the amount left blank so that it can be written out for the desired amount. By extension, the more figurative meaning is the freedom or permission to spend as much money or use as many resources as needed to pursue a goal. To feel like $1 million. This means to feel on top of the world, attractive, healthy and happy. The song $1 Million Bill by Whitney Houston is about this saying. Chicken feed. This is used to describe a very small amount of money, often the absolute minimum amount. The word peanuts is often used in the same way as chicken feed. From rags to riches. This means going from poverty to wealth. Oprah Winfrey, Celine Dion and Academy Award-winning actress Viola Davis all grew up in poverty. Those are rags to riches stories. Nest egg. This is a reserve of money held for future use, such as emergencies, retirement or education fees. Having a nest egg is an example of financial planning, and can provide a safety net in the event of a financial crisis. Many people rely on their nest eggs once they decide to stop working. To cost an arm and a leg. This saying is used to describe something very expensive. The phrase is similar to the French expression "ça coûte la peau des fesses," which translates means to cost the skin of your buttocks. For example, replacing a computer might cost you an arm and a leg because it will require more money. Get your money's worth. This means getting a satisfactory amount of value, use or a return from what you spend. Nothing compares to the feeling one gets when great satisfaction is received after a purchase or a service rendered. Thank you for watching our channel. Make sure that you subscribe, like and comment in our video to improve your financial planning. Have a great day!